The Moto Cyclin, a shimmering mode of intelligent design, no larger than a dewdrop, drifted through the sun-dappled air of the old conservatory. It was a place where ferns unfurled with languid grace and orchids blazed in silent, vibrant rebellion. Its target, Middens, a ginger tabby of considerable girth and even greater self-importance, currently napping on a velvet cushion, his little brass collar bell glinting. With a silent, deliberate grace that defied its artificial nature, the Moto Cyclin homed in. It hovered, a tiny, iridescent star, before the cat's snoozing face. Middens' nose twitched. His whiskers quivered. One emerald eye slid open, observing the newcomer with sleepy suspicion. The Moto Cyclin didn't startle him. Instead, it floated gently, almost reverently, towards the collar bell. It aligned itself perfectly, a miniature moon orbiting a mundane planetoid. Then, a connection, soft as a breath, a faint, luminous pulse, like a strand of spun moonlight, bridged the gap between the cyclin and the metal. For a heartbeat, nothing. Then, a subtle shimmer ran through Middens' fur. His ginger stripes, usually a warm, earthy tone, began to glow. First, a soft emerald, then a flash of sapphire deepening into a regal amethyst, the same bioluminescent palette that defined the Moto Cyclin. The light wasn't harsh. It was an internal luminescence, as if his very cells were celebrating this new, strange union. A low rumble started deep in Middens' chest. It grew, a resonant purr that vibrated through the cushion and into the very air of the conservatory. It wasn't just a purr of contentment. There was a new depth to it, a hum of intricate processes now subtly intertwined with his feline being. He stretched, a luxurious, glowing ripple, his eyes now fully open, clear and bright, reflecting the cyclin's gentle light. He was still Middens, connoisseur of sunbeams and chin scratches. But now, he was more. The Moto Cyclin, a whisper of advanced biotechnology, had found its host, its partner. The faint pulse persisted, a quiet dialogue between organic life and its microscopic, sentient ward. The conservatory, a haven of natural biology, now cradled a new, harmonious paradox, a feline interloper, transformed into an unlikely, purring, bioluminescent guardian of the cellular world.